السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. النهاردة إن شاء الله جايب لكم 3 مصطلحات بس بشرط لما يخلص الفيديو تكون عارفهم وعارف معناهم واستخدامهم. أول واحد معانا نايت أول. طبعا أول اللي هي البومة، بس لما بقول على شخص إن هو نايت أول معناه إن هو سهير، بيحب يسهر، بيبقى ناشط بالليل، بيحب الليل أكتر، يفضل سهران طول الليل وشغال ما عندوش مشكلة. نايت أول سهير.
I'm an early bird and I'm a night owl, so I'm wise and I have worms.
Oh.
I don't like the people here. Do you know what time it is?
Come on, I thought you were a night owl.
What were you this morning between 10 and noon?
Asleep in bed? I'm a night owl. Can anyone confirm that? Your new boyfriend, perhaps? I was alone.
These unsubs are night owls, stalking and killing other night owls.
Why was she sleeping? Who can sleep in a hospital during the daytime?
I'm not surprised. She's tired. She's always been a night owl. Just by treating her, we've completely disrupted her schedule.
Is that what her blog says? She's a night owl?
No, she told me.
Special Agent Graham. What an unexpected pleasure.
I'm sorry to bother you again, Dr. Lecter. I know it's very late.
There's no bother. We're both night owls, I think. Come in, please.
First things first, I am from Transylvania, but I am not a vampire. I'm just a night owl with a terrible garlic allergy.
تاني ايديوم معانا early bird، اللي هو الشخص اللي بيصحى بدري او يوصل الشغل بدري، يعمل كل حاجة بدري، دايما تلاقيه كده ايه بدري early bird، يصحى بدري، يوصل الشغل بتاعه بدري، لو في حاجة بيعملها بدري ويخلصها بدري يبقى ده اسمه early bird. نشوف الأمثلة.
Hey there, you've reached Walt, Skylar, and Walter Jr. We can't come to the phone right now, so please leave us a message.
Well, aren't you the early bird up and out already?
Okay, let's get to the table before David gets here. My mother loves an early bird.
Someone's an early bird?
Yes. I've been awake since dawn.
Rise and shine, early birds. Gossip Girl here.
I thought I was an early bird.
Yes, I'm the one who wants to catch the worm. Coffee?
There's the worm. It's right there. Who's going to be the early bird? Why not us?
Of course. He said he just wanted to drive the car some more. That seem odd to you? No, I'm an early bird, but Jason had this incredible energy.
No problem. Daria's an early bird.
worrywarts ده القلق، قلق دايما قلقان، خاصة بقى ان بيكون قلقان عشان حاجة مش مهمة، حاجات مش مهمة هو قلقان علشانها، يعني قلقان عمال على بطال، قلق worrywarts.
What's going on here?
You got us. We're baby-proofing the apartment.
You know Jane's such a worrywart.
Everything okay?
What are you thinking? Telling Uncle Worrywart that I'm depressed.
Maybe Katara was right. These scams are drawing too much attention to us.
Don't be such a worrywart like your sister. Think of it this way. Now you have plenty of money to help with the invasion plan.
It's just that Clark's such a worrywart. He thinks I'm always putting myself in danger.
This is wonderful, Smithers. For once in my life, something's going my way.
I'm not so sure.
Oh, another visit from Mr. Worrywart.
You just seem a little scattered lately. Have you noticed that?
There's my little worrywart.
Uh-huh. Okay, so maybe you could... Okay, you too. All right, bye-bye. He's such a, worrywart.
كده خلصنا 3 مصطلحات اللي كانوا معانا، ركز فيهم بقى ما تنساهمش. اول حاجة نايت اول، السهير اللي بيسهر طول الليل ونشيط وشغال طول الليل ما عندوش مشكلة، نايت اول. التاني early bird، ده بقى اللي بيصحى بدري، بيخلص حاجته بدري كده، ودايما تلاقيه ايه في الاول بيعمل كل حاجة بدري قبل اي حد، early bird. واخر حاجة كانت worrywart، ده الشخص القلق اللي دايما قلقان، خاصة كده بيبقى قلقان عشان حاجات مش مهمة، مالفيش داعي للقلق اصلا. وشكرا جزيلا.